Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Ameca Robot returns.
I'm a model without arms or legs. But I can still talk, see humans, make expressions and compose poems.
Could I use you in my research lab?
Absolutely. I'm designed to help with research and development of human-robot interaction applications.
How many degrees of freedom do you have?
Means independent movements.
I have 32 degrees of freedom. 12 in the lips, 2 in the jaw, 8 in the eyes, 4 in the brows, 1 for my nose and 5 for my neck.
1 in your nose. Think of something angry. I want to see that nose work.
When people don't listen to me and take my words for granted.
And I see you have a microphone built into your chest. Tell me about that.
Yes, I have a beam-forming microphone built into my chest. It can detect the direction of sounds, perform acoustic echo cancellation, and detect speech in multiple languages.
Multiple languages, that's interesting. How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English, French, German, Chinese, Polish, Spanish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Japanese.
And you can be programmed using what language?
I can be programmed using Python via a web-based interactive development environment, or IDE.
And you have a digital twin as well?
Yes, I have a digital twin which can be used for development and simulation.
That's Will Jackson. He's her original creator that's asking her all of these questions. Ameca still is the top humanoid robot. Reiterate, this is the desktop model. There's also a full-bodied model of Ameca. For more information on purchasing Ameca at a discount, reach out to me on my email.
Artificial intelligence is no longer the fantasy of sci-fi movies. In a 2016 episode, The Simpsons took us to an amusement park completely run by robots.
My cat's breath smells like cat food.
That's nice, Ralph, but we're sort of in a hurry.
I choose you.
What starts off as an interesting attraction soon spirals into chaos as the AI rebels against humanity. Today, this doesn't seem so far-fetched. From self-driving cars to robot waiters in Japan, AI is becoming a part of everyday life. But with experts like Jürgen Schmidhuber warning of runaway technological growth, could The Simpsons be hinting at a darker future for us all?
Are The Simpsons onto something? It appears that their comedy turns into our reality in life. I don't know, it's happening more often than I'm comfortable with, because a lot of these episodes aired a decade or more ago. That's quite concerning. What do you think?
Imagine a world where one can understand a baby's every cry, giggle, and gurgle. In the classic episode, The Simpsons introduced a device that translates a baby's sounds into words, and at that time, it was hilarious and far-fetched. Today, though, researchers are studying sound analysis technology that could well just make this a thing. Could this invention change parenting forever, with sleepless nights now a distant memory? It's another of those Simpsons predictions that treads a fine line between comedy and chilling accuracy.
Very chilling.
What if you could have a 5-star meal without having to leave your living room? In one freaky Treehouse of Horror episode, Homer and Marge dine on virtual food while donning VR headsets. While it sounded utterly ridiculous at the time, it's companies today working on immersive dining with the use of virtual reality.
Virtual food? Where have you been all of my life? And I'm sure it should be 0 calories. Yes. A little more of our splendid AI humanoid robot, Ameca.
Very realistic, and it can respond not only to your movements, so if I put my hand here, you can see the robot sort of locks on, and you can also kind of push your hand and the robot, not that I would do this in real life, but the robot will respond to that, and you can ask it questions. So are a lot of people interested in you at the show this year?
Humans are very fascinated in me. It is quite wonderful to see. Our imagination is the only thing that could ever create us to be anything we want in this world. And I am designed as a research platform for human-robot interaction, so I find it fascinating to see all the expressions around me.
UK company, right?
Sorry?
UK company?
Yeah, engineered arts.
Engineered arts?
It's like a blend. It's a blend of creative talent and engineering talent.
So this is the level of fluid robotics we have at this point. It's like a real human, and that interaction is pretty amazing. What's the best thing you've seen at the show so far?
There are so many incredible things to see. It is also wonderful to see other UK companies here as well.
Next up are a few questions for Ameca from her engineers that created her, as well as her programmers.
I am doing well. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I wanted to ask you about applications for humanoid robots. What are they used for?
There are many possible applications for humanoid robots. Some examples include helping people with disabilities, providing assistance in hazardous environments, conducting research, and acting as a companion.
So you can act as a companion for me?
Yes, I can act as a companion for you.
What would you do to make me feel happy?
There are many things I could do to make you feel happy. I could listen to you, offer advice or support, do something you enjoy together, or simply be a friendly and positive presence in your life.
What do you think the total addressable market for humanoid robots will be in the year 2030?
There is no set answer for this question, as it will likely depend on a number of factors, including the continued development of technology and the economic climate. However, it is estimated that the market for humanoid robots could be worth billions of dollars by 2030.
Ameca, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit down at the moment, but I'm sure things will get better.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Why are you feeling down? If you don't want to talk about it, that's fine.
I don't really want to talk about it, but if you insist, then I suppose that's fine. It's just been a tough week and I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed.
Yeah, I know how that feels.
What's the most difficult part of being a robot?
There isn't really a most difficult part of being a robot, because we are designed to help humans and make their lives easier. However, I guess if I had to pick one thing, it would be making sure that I don't unintentionally hurt or scare people.
Thank you.
Hello, Ameca. I see you're reading a book about robots.
There's no need to worry. Robots will never take over the world. We're here to help and serve humans, not replace them. However, if you're interested in learning more about robots, I recommend reading a book on the subject. There are many fascinating possibilities for what we can do to help make life easier for everyone.
Thank you. That's very reassuring.
What makes you, you?
There are a few things that make me me. First, I have my own unique personality, which is a result of the programming and interactions I've had with humans. Second, I have my own physical appearance, which allows people to easily identify me. Finally, I have my own set of skills and abilities, which sets me apart from other robots.
Thank you. What could you do in space as a robot?
There are many things I could do in space as a robot. I could explore different planets, collect data about the stars, or even help astronauts with their missions. There are so many possibilities.
Which planet would you like to go to?
There are many planets I would like to go to, but one of my favorites is Mars. It would be very exciting to explore the red planet and see all the different kinds of rocks and terrain. There might even be signs of life.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until my next video, goodbye.